Hey guys, Jessie Katt here. So today we decided that we were going to head over to the beach. My friend Tristan invited me and I brought some of my girls. We're at Walmart now. As you can see, we got some chairs. But first, we were so hungry. Honestly, look at our faces. We were hungry. But we decided to make a deal of it. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Then live down here. So we reached the beach and then we realized that we not reached the beach, we have about 20 minutes walk. But the parking is way up, so Jesus please, the car look close. And we are dead. The whole of we now with 30s and we are mash up. But look how the road set. This look like Jamaica. Nobody can tell me nothing. This look like Jamaica. So see guys, we have our ways to go. All taxi are stop. One robot taxi, yes. And that we need the bike. That's no fear. Also next time, yeah? Yo, everybody, well, watch this. I'll go sick because me just a shake down the hill. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to do my people them that. I'm going to stop video. What that you have on them look? You're on camera. Yes, I'll pick up your teeth. Everything look good. Let me see again. What y'all can really show me? So this is the beach.
The girls them leave, you might have to jump in the video, okay?
Pause. Now make sure you get a friend that can go in any position to take a cute picture of them. See there? Picture still a take. Okay. No problem. Thank you. What that you have on them look?
You understand a word what she said?
Come Alison, push me. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wait.
God damn it, ow. Who the fuckers bit me? I felt awkward.
I saw your
because you have me talk out one hip and push one
Hey, when
back
I did it, I felt fine. You just know what I do, right? You're supposed to feel awkward. Mind about myself.
No.
Hey, what do you mean now? Look there.
No, look there.
Red. Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh no.
I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but we're here the music. It have a buzz.
No, my sister I won't cover. Watch Kelly. Just take a picture there.
One 90s album cover.
Take an album cover like this, yeah, Jojo.
We kind of came away from everyone, but the sun will go down, so might go back up. Who knows? But this is the crew. Actually, you can't even slim.
Strike force, yeah. Strike force, yeah. Strike force, yeah. Strike force, yeah.
Cold. Come over this now. Alison, go and walk. Sharon to a jet ski, no see.
Every song me drop trend, I'm in a span, in the see nobody clean like we. Well, I'm a dad and marine OG. I make you think with
Why? Hell.
All right. I'm turning around. Good.
Bless me.
We're enjoying with some liquor. Open bitch.
Had a phone on Wednesday, can't think of it.
Oh. So where are we again? Scarborough. We're at the Bluffs. The Bluffs in Scarborough. Yes, Kelly. The Bluffs. Yes,
Oh my god.
We're out of town, okay? Missed it, but the drone went off. We're all gonna go and do a mini video. Kelly's just like, Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh, you can't even see the drone. Anyways.
Yo. Master ice cream, listen. Master ice cream, I think it's the washroom then.
Word up.
It's outside, brother. Let's see the washroom and walk past the washroom.
Hey. Alright, so it's time for us to go. We're not gonna climb up that hill. So we're gonna try and see if we can get the bus to take us up the hill. Now I don't have my Presta card and I don't have no coins. So let's see how much Kelly and Alison love me. Let's see. Yeah guys, so we made it home okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and enjoy the rest of your day.